Pregnancy is a journey that requires optimal care and attention, and one of those aspects that deserve full attention is the nutritional requirements of both mothers and their babies. Neural tube defects, cretinism, and other disorders may affect newborns due to preventable nutritional deficiencies. Folate, DHA, and iodine are three key nutritional elements that need to be supplemented before, during early, and sometimes after the journey of pregnancy to ensure safe delivery of a healthy baby. Folate deficiency during conception and early pregnancy is associated with neural tube defects, which constitute 10% of the burden of all congenital conditions, and it is the third largest congenital burden after the congenital heart disease and Down syndrome. In the Middle East, 29% of all neonatal deaths from congenital abnormalities are attributed to neural tube defects. Low folate level was also associated with lower placental weight, lower birth weight, increased risks of small gestational age, increased risk of prematurity, increased risk of preeclampsia. High-quality scientific evidence indicate that folic acid supplementation is associated with 70% reduction in recurrence of neural tube defects and 62% reduction in new cases of neural tube defects. Insufficient folate intake during the second trimester increases the risk of premature birth by 80%. This strong body of evidence encouraged many countries to adopt policies recommending supplementation for women planning pregnancy. However, there are several challenges facing the successful application of those recommendations. Only 2% of women receive folic acid before pregnancy. 9 out of 10 women don't start taking supplements at the right time. 30 to 50% of all pregnancies are unplanned even in high-income countries. Another challenge in providing folate supplementation during pregnancy is the fact that not all women can utilize folic acid properly. There are certain enzymes like dihydrofolate reductase needed for the folic acid to be effective, and due to genetic reasons, those enzymes may not be active. In one study, low enzymatic activity was found in approximately 50% of women. And here comes the role of Femibion. Femibion contains folic acid necessary in all stages of pregnancy. It also contains metafolin, the readily bioactive form of folate. The function of metafolin is unaffected by reduced enzymatic activity. Femibion also contains iodine, which is essential for proper baby's development. Iodine helps eliminating new cases of cretinism and is associated with increased birth weight and reduced rates of perinatal and infant mortality. Femibion 2 is enhanced with DHA. DHA is related to longer gestation, better visual acuity, and mental plus psychomotor skills. Femibion, developed for every stage of pregnancy.